Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix mouse cursor disappears in Windows 11, so let's start. So first you have to go to Windows and right click here, and then just go to devices management here, and will appear this window, and then just looking for the mouse. You will find here mouse and other devices. Just click here and then just click here in this part and right click. Then let's go to properties, and you can check here if the mouse is working correctly. So if there's no problem, just click on accept. But if you have a problem here, you have to go to drivers and then go to drivers, details drivers, and then you have to update the driver here and then just accept it. This will fix your mouse, and if it disappear, well, maybe with this you will fix it. So guys, that's how it works. I hope this helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.